right, Bobby, you go get on one of these things.
What's up, everybody? Bob Clancy here with another video, and I'm with none other but Ryan Walker. Ryan, what's up?
Hi, everyone.
Hey, we're in the factory. Everyone's gone home. What are you sitting on?
Yeah, these are called Walker skates, and they are a go-kart that my dad started designing when he was in junior high. So a lot of iterations. Today we have a set of these that we designed when we have events at the factory. We race them here. So like, come to factory day, come to family reunion this September. We're gonna be running them in a parking lot, doing some races with these. But Walker skates. So this is drive fun things and go find Dean Walker.
All right, well, we're in the factory. This is what you used to do as a kid. So let's go. I'm gonna fire mine up.
Let's do it.
Got a little 3 hearts on the back.
A little Kawasaki action.
All right, let's go.
What's up, Bob?
What's up? You having fun?
Yeah, this is fun.
All right, we're outside. We're gonna go find Dean now. Ryan Walker skates, used to ride these around the factory as a kid. Favorite memory?
And favorite memory had to be when we built the first building on this property. It was an empty factory, polished floors, and we had the best time on brand new concrete, racing skates through the factory.
All right, next video, let's get like 8 dudes and have a race.
Yeah, our warehouse is so fun. It's polished concrete. We can race around the racks. So 8 dudes, 8 of our friends, and we're gonna have a little bit of race on these.
All right, a Walker skate race. Let's go do it. All right, for now, let's go find Dean. Those things are fun.
Yeah, they're
super
awesome.
fun.
Man, even when it's brown grass, the Walker Mowers makes it look beautiful. Look at that. Look at all the work that thing's doing. We ran it on our maintenance crew outside. Dean was running it all last summer, and just hundreds and hundreds of hours last summer. It's a machine that sits right in the core, right in the heart of our industry. 27 horsepower. This is a 48-inch mulch deck, but really it's designed to run 60-inch side discharge decks.
Dean in his element.
Dethatching, mulching. Dethatching, mulching. Normally it's dethatching collection, but with the Walker mulch decks, the on-purpose mulch decks, there's just something really special about that deck and then dethatching, getting this turf ready for summer.
Dean, you're out here in your element mowing. We take people around the factory and we take them on tours. We explain the product development cycle. We talk about how designs are thought of and made. And I always tell the story, well, if you find Dean when there's grass to cut, he's out there with a machine, and that's what you're doing today. What are you mowing with today?
I'm mowing with the 48 mulch with a dethatcher on the front, which is kind of an odd combination, but it's pretty cool on what it does. I mean, it's cutting good, and it just basically makes the cut grass disappear. So it's a pretty awesome spring cleanup tool. Even typically you would be catching, but this has a place, I think.
Yeah, it looks awesome, and you're giving this early season grass a nice look with the dethatching. It's on the front of a
B27X.
B27iX.
iX, yeah.
Yeah, what do you think of this machine?
It's awesome. I love it. It's just a really comfortable machine. It performs really well. I love the big tires, the suspension seat. It's a sweet running machine. It really is.
Dean has made it possible with just his persistence around lawnmower technology and lawnmower design. So it's fun to see one of our latest machines, highest performing machines. It's fun to see my dad out here working on it. Early spring, we're almost green here in Colorado, and it's really exciting to be out mowing grass again.
Yeah, and these B27iXs are leaving the factory now. These days they're leaving the factory, and so they're going to be out in dealerships in the coming weeks. So check it out. Dean, we'll let you get back to it.
We're going to go race some skateboards.
Yeah,
have fun.
See ya.
Super fun to see Dean out there. Found someone else on a fun motorized vehicle.
10 on a 690. That's my older brother.
Nothing like riding a wheelie out of work.
Yeah.
You have some sad news? What's up?
Yeah, mustache might be coming off.
Is this the last YouTube with a mustache?
Maybe not the last.
Can't say never.
But Emily, my wife, she is over it. Are we still hashtagging? Because she's hashtag over it.
Well, that's all right. I'm sure there'll be something else that comes around this summer. All right, Ryan. Well, that was a fun way to wind down the workday.
Yep.
It's almost dinner time. We should get home.
Yeah, we should go home to our families. But
And,
it's been fun hanging out this afternoon on skates.
Super fun, and I can't wait to see the B27IX out in the wild.
Yeah, it's such a beast.
Let's go put these things back in the barn.
All right, see y'all.
See ya.